this is my part 2 of it. Now, after you've done that, fold this part over, like I've told you in the other video. Then, like you did on the other one, fold it in. Again, mine's not that perfect, but I guess that you can make yours perfecter. Okay, then take a pencil and we write the number 1 here. Across from that, we write a number 4. We turn it over, write a number 3 here, and write a 2 here. Then you see the 1 and the 4 here? Just make them seem that they're right next to, they're right here. Then we write a 7 here, a 6 here, turn it over as if the 6 and the 7 are upside down, an 8 here, and a 5 here.